In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add debit or credit card to your Amazon account. Let's get started by opening your web browser and going to Amazon.com. If you're taken to a regional version of the site, that's fine, the process is the same. Make sure you're signed in to the account you want to use. If you're not signed in yet, Amazon may prompt you to log in before you can manage payment options. Once you're on the home page, move your cursor to the top right area and look for Account and Lists. Click that to open your account dashboard. This is where Amazon groups all your personal settings, orders, and wallet tools so you won't have to hunt around later. From the account dashboard, choose Your Payments. This opens your Amazon wallet, which securely stores your cards and other payment methods for faster checkout. It's the central place to view, edit, and add options you can use while shopping. Inside your payments, find and click Add a Payment Method. You'll see a few choices here depending on your region, things like bank accounts, gift cards, or installment options. Since we're adding a card, we'll focus on the standard card option. Select the option to add credit or debit cards. This tells Amazon you'll be entering card details like the long card number, the expiration date, and the security code. Both credit and debit cards work the same way here, as long as they're from supported networks in your country. Now enter your details carefully. Type the name exactly as it appears on the card, then the card number without spaces or dashes, followed by the expiration month and year, and the 3 or 4-digit security code. Next, choose or confirm the billing address. This should match the address your bank or card issuer has on file. Even small differences in spelling or abbreviations can cause verification issues. If you need to update an address, do that before proceeding so everything matches correctly. When everything looks good, click Add your card. Amazon may run a quick verification with your bank. Sometimes you'll see a small temporary authorization or be asked to complete a security prompt. Once verified, your card will appear in your payments, ready to use at checkout. That's all there is to it. You went to Amazon, opened Account and Lists, entered your payments, selected Add a Payment Method, chose credit or debit cards, filled in your information, and confirmed by adding the card. From here, you can shop with confidence knowing your new card is saved and ready. If you ever see an error, double-check the card number, expiration date, security code, and billing address for typos, and try again. Thanks for watching and happy shopping. Happy.